Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a super handy tutorial for you. We're diving into how you can record audio from the Google Translate app on your Android phone. Perfect for those moments when you need to keep a translation handy or if you're trying to improve your language skills. So let's get started. In the Google Translate app, simply enter the text you want to translate. Not all audio recording apps can capture sound from other apps while running in the background, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Head over to the Google Play Store and download an app called Easy Voice Recorder. It's a fantastic tool for this job, making sure you can record anything without a hitch. With Easy Voice Recorder installed, open it up. When you hit the record button for the first time, it's going to ask for certain permissions to do its job. Tap on Continue, then either while using the app or only this time. Then Allow. And lastly, select a location to store your recordings. Once you found your desired location, tap on Use this folder. Tap Allow once again. It's now capturing everything your phone's microphone picks up, so let's make sure we get that translation recorded. Quickly switch back to the Google Translate app. You've already got your translation ready, so now just look for the sound button below your translated text. It usually looks like a small speaker icon. Tap on it and the
Comment
app will read
vas-tu?
aloud the translation. Since we're already recording, Easy Audio Recorder is capturing this audio as we speak. And there you have it. Once the translation is read aloud, switch back to Easy Audio Recorder and tap the red button to pause the recording. You can also save the audio file now by tapping on the check icon. You should now be able to listen to it anytime you need a refresher. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.